Assalamu alaikum, guys. Welcome back once again on Windows Fixer. So, a lot of people are still facing this dependency issue when trying to launch Valorant. Basically, it's a Riot Vanguard error, and honestly, it's pretty easy to fix. I've already covered this topic before, but recently I realized there's one more thing that can really help many users. So, let's get straight into it. First thing is fast boot. Now, yeah, fast boot can be useful in some cases, but when you're troubleshooting, it usually creates more problems than solving them. I've already explained this in detail in another video, so I won't go too deep here. Just click on the Windows search, type power options. Now, in the link bar, go one step back, and on the left side, you'll see choose what the power buttons do. Open that. Here, all the options will be grayed out. So first, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Now, simply uncheck the option that says Turn on Fast Startup Recommended. Click Save Changes, close the window, and you're good to go.
Second step is actually the main reason behind this dependency error, and that's Riot Vanguard itself. The problem is that Vanguard doesn't uninstall properly, and when that happens, you can't reinstall it, which leads to this exact error. So here's what you need to do. Open CMD as administrator. Make sure it shows C/Windows/System32 greater than. If it's showing users or documents, then it's not going to work. In that case, go directly into C drive, open the System32 folder, search for cmd.exe, and launch it from there with administrative privileges. Now paste these two commands one by one. sc space delete space vgc, then hit enter. If it says successfully, then move on to next. sc space delete space vgk. Hit enter, and successfully deleted. Note if you see error like 1057 or something, that means services are already deleted. Just make sure to delete the folder and restart your PC. I'll also drop them in the description for you guys. Once those services are deleted, exit Riot Vanguard from the tray icon. Right-click it and hit exit. If it doesn't go away the first time, repeat it once or twice until it's fully closed. You can also uninstall Vanguard from Control Panel if needed. After that, go into your C drive and delete the Riot Vanguard folder manually. That way, it's completely removed from your PC. Now, step 3, restart your PC. This part is important, don't skip it. Once you're back, search for a Riot client in the Start menu and launch it. Click on Update. Sometimes it looks like nothing happens and it still shows Update, but don't worry, that's just a known glitch. Just wait a few minutes, it will continue depending on your internet speed. Once that's done, it'll ask you to restart your PC again. After restarting, your dependency issue should be resolved, and you'll be able to play Valorant without any problem. But wait, if you're on Windows 10 like me, you might run into another error called VAN9005 after launching the game. Keep in mind, this only applies if the error code is exactly VAN9005. To fix that, again, open CMD as administrator and type this command: bcdedit/set hypervisorlaunchtype off. Basically, this disables a security service that conflicts when your system doesn't support Secure Boot or TPM. Once you run the command, restart your PC again and launch Valorant. This time, it should work perfectly. If none of these methods work, then the issue might be kernel level. So in that case, either reset your Windows or install a fresh window. I would suggest fresh install because most of the time people download their Windows from third party, which is totally not safe and might not resolve the problem with reset. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Windows Fixer, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.